Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a workbook and naming it so you can find it quickly. This matters for version control. Once saved, type headers in row 1 to define each column's purpose. You use Tab and Enter to enter data efficiently, and then set column types, number, date, or text, so Excel treats your values correctly. Make sure to widen columns and bold headers for readability. This prevents misaligned data and speeds future formulas. Now you build calculations. Type equals, then click cells to craft formulas so Excel updates results automatically. Use SUM and average for totals and means, count for entries, and IF to branch logic. These cover most needs. Once done, drag the fill handle or double-click it to copy formulas downward. Remember, relative references change, while dollar locks a cell to keep constants fixed. Also use named ranges for clarity, so formulas remain understandable as the sheet grows. To finish, inspect your work. Filter and sort to check outliers and apply conditional formatting to highlight unexpected values. Once confident, select your data and insert a chart, bar for comparisons, line for trends, so insights are visible at a glance. Make sure to save a final version and export to PDF if sharing. If things go wrong, check formula references and the formula bar first. Fixing a broken reference usually restores correct results quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.